Chapter 79. The Snatchers. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. By those angels who snatch out the souls of the disbelievers with great violence, by those angels who gently take out the souls of the believers, and by those that glide along, and by those that press forward as in a race, and by those angels that arrange to do the commands of their Lord. On the day when the trumpet is blown, the earth and the mountains will shake violently. The second blowing of the trumpet follows it. Some hearts on that day will shake with fear and anxiety, their eyes cast down. They say, "Shall we indeed be returned to our former state of life, even after we are crumbled bones?" They will say, in that case, it would be a return with loss. But surely it will be but a single cry, when behold, they will find themselves on the earth alive after their death. Has there come to you the story of Moses, when his Lord called him in the sacred valley of Tuwa? Go to Pharaoh, surely he has transgressed all bounds in disbelief, and say to him, "Would you purify yourself from the sin of disbelief, and that I guide you to your Lord so you fear him?" Then Moses showed him the great signs and miracles. But Pharaoh denied him and disobeyed. Then he turned his back, striving hard against Allah. And he gathered his people and cried aloud, saying, "I am your Lord most high." So Allah seized him with punishment for his last and first transgression. Surely in this is an instructive admonition for whoever fears Allah. Are you more difficult to create, or are the heavens that he constructed? He raised their heights, and he has ordered them equally. Its night he covers with darkness, and its forenoon he brings out with light. And after that he spread out the earth, and brought forth its water and its pasture. And the mountains he has fixed firmly, to be a provision and benefit for you and your cattle. But when there comes the great catastrophe, the day when man shall remember what he strove for, and hell-fire shall be made apparent in full view for everyone who sees, then, for him who transgressed all bounds, and preferred the life of this world, surely his abode will be the hell-fire. But as for him who feared standing before his Lord, and restrained himself from impure evil desires and lusts, surely Paradise will be his abode. They ask you, O Muhammad, about the hour. When will be its appointed time? You have no knowledge to say anything about it. To your Lord belongs the knowledge of its term. You, O Muhammad, are only a warner for those who fear it. The day they see it, it will be as if they had not tarried long in this world, except an afternoon or a morning.